Welcome to our tutorial for the Plant Finder web plugin. Hello, I'm Terry Jones from Joy of Plants. WooCommerce is the most popular webshop plugin for the WordPress website platform. In this tutorial, I will first show you how to add our Plant Finder to a WordPress website page and set which plants you stock. And then, if you have the WooCommerce webshop plugin, I'll show you how to link the Plant Finder's own plant pages to the webshop's product pages. The benefits of using our Plant Finder are that it provides a really simple and quick way for your site to have images and full searchable details for more than 14,900 UK plants, including most or all of the plants you sell. When linked to webshop pages, it provides a sophisticated search engine to help customers find the plants they want to buy. First, we'll take a look at our demo WooCommerce webshop, so you can see what the Plant Finder looks like after it is installed. Our demo is at the URL woocommercedemo2.joyofplants.com. In this webshop, the Plant Finder is accessed from an option on the menu bar at the top, or from an image button on the home page. Click Plant Finder. The Plant Finder appears in a separate page of the webshop. Here we see the home page of the Plant Finder, which contains a selection of plant groups and a few other buttons. Joy of Plants do all the initial customization and setup of the Plant Finder for you, including setting your first Plants We Stock list if that is available. Like Google Maps in a website, the Plant Finder is implemented as an iframe, with all the images and data delivered direct from our server. If you're going to link your Plant Finder to your WooCommerce webshop product pages, you should add Joy of Plants images and text to some of those webshop pages before installing the Plant Finder, as that process creates the files needed for linking the Plant Finder to the webshop pages. To add the Plant Finder, you will need the Plant Finder enabled and set up for you by Joy of Plants, Google Chrome as a browser on your PC, your WordPress admin URL and login details, the WooCommerce plugin installed if you want to link the Plant Finder to a webshop, the Joy of Plants library plugin installed, your hub.joyofplants.com login details. To add the Plant Finder web plugin and set plants you stock, first, in WordPress admin, add the Plant Finder as a new page. Then, in the Joy of Plants hub, we'll set which plants you stock. There are different approaches depending on whether you are linking the Plant Finder to webshop pages or not. Finally, we'll just check everything is working. I'll now go to our WordPress site and show you how to add the Plant Finder page. In our browser, we have two tabs open, our WordPress admin page and hub.joyofplants.com. First, we work in our WordPress admin page. Click Pages. You'll see all the existing pages for your website. Click Add New. This opens the editor for a new page. Add a title, the words Plant Finder. Add any text you want to appear above the Plant Finder. For example, use our lovely new Plant Finder to find plants you like, plants that will suit your garden. Then click the Buy Now button to buy your chosen plant. Click the cursor back on the title to show the publishing options. Make sure that the URL slug field has a sensible entry, different to any others. Here we have plant-finder, which is fine. Click Publish at the top. Then Publish again to add the page. Click the WordPress W button, top left, to go back to the Pages list. We can now see our new page in the list of pages. You might have to scroll to find it in your site if you have lots of pages. Now in the left-hand menu, click Joy of Plants, Plant Finder. Click the drop-down list and select the page you added for the Plant Finder. Click Save Changes. Now we'll go and see what has changed on the Plant Finder page we added. Click Pages. We see all the existing pages for the website. Find the Plant Finder page and click Edit. You can see there's a big black bar containing the words Plant Finder. This is the placeholder that shows you the Plant Finder code is present on the page. Click the link under View Page to preview the page and see what the Plant Finder looks like. Now we go back to the WordPress admin page to add the Plant Finder to the menu so we can access it from the webshop homepage. Click Appearance. Click Menus. Select Plant Finder from the list of recent pages. Click Add to Menu. Drag and drop the menu into position. We'll make it the first one. Click Save Menu. Now go to the Plant Finder page and refresh it to see the menu. Now we'll go to the Joy of Plants hub and add the plants we stock list and the Buy Now buttons that link the Plant Finder to the webshop pages. I'll now go to the Joy of Plants hub and show you how to set plants you stock if you're not linking the Plant Finder plant pages to webshop pages. There are two methods. Method 1 uses the Joy of Plants plant list. You use this method if you don't already have a stock list. And Method 2, which uses an existing stock list, for example an extract from your EPOS or sales tool. We go to our other tab with the Joy of Plants hub. Click Kiosk Web Plant Finder in the hub homepage. This takes you to the Plant Finder Content Management page. In this page you can manage all the content in the Plant Finder. If you are not linking the Plant Finder to webshop pages, use the options in the second section here to add your plants we stock list. There are two sides for adding the plants we stock list. The right-hand side has options for setting it without an existing stock list. We call this Method 1. The left-hand side has options for setting it from an existing stock list that you have. This is Method 2. You can follow the on-screen guidance for setting your plants we stock list. We also have tutorial videos on our YouTube channel that you can watch to learn how to do it. See Tutorial 6 for Method 1 and Tutorial 7 for Method 2. I will now show you how to set plants you stock if you are linking the Plant Finder plant pages to webshop pages. You will upload the toplantfinder.xls file that was generated when you added the Joy of Plants images and text to your webshop pages. If you haven't yet added images and text to your webshop pages, you should go and do that now. For help on how to do it, you can watch our video, Tutorial 10, Add JoP Images and Text to WooCommerce. Let's take a quick look at the To Plant Finder file. The To Plant Finder file tells the plant finder which plants to add to the plants you stock list via the JoP PIDs in column A, and which webshop pages to link to those plants via the URLs in column B. On the Plant Finder Content Management page of the Hub, scroll down to the section for Upload for licensees who use our e-commerce image and text library too. Click Upload to Plant Finder file. Click Find File. Find the toplantfinder.xls file and click Upload File. Choose which column contains the JoP PID codes, in this case column A and starting at row 3. Choose the plant stock list to change. There's a drop-down list to select the list to change. This will normally only contain one option, the name of the default plant list. If you add multiple plant lists, for example because you have different plant lists at different kiosk sites, then this list will contain more options. Choose how you want to change the list. We leave this selected to add plants. This will merge in the new plants to the current list. If we wanted to replace the list, we'd choose Replace List. Click the grey button to show the options for the Plant Finder links to e-commerce. Select as Sale URL, column B. Click Next. It may take a few moments to update your list. The message will tell you when the update is completed. Click Done. I'll now show you how to check the plants you stock and Buy Now buttons in the Plant Finder so you know everything is working. To see the effect of the changes, click the Refresh button. Click Find Plants by Name. You can see that the number of plants in the Our Product Range list has changed, so we've successfully updated our plants we stock list. The To Plant Finder file we uploaded added the roses to our plants we stock list, so we'll check that group. Click on a plant to see the plant page. You can see the upload added a Buy Now button to the page. Click on the Buy Now button to go to the plant in the webshop. Click the Buy Now button and it goes to the plant page in the webshop with all the options and information for buying the plant. We've now successfully added the Plant Finder to a website page and linked plants in the Plant Finder to their respective webshop pages so customers can buy them. Before we finish, I'll answer some frequently asked questions. What happens if a plant has sold out and is not shown in the webshop? The Buy Now button in the Plant Finder will display a message when the user clicks on it to tell them that the plant is not currently in stock, instead of going to the webshop page. I've updated my webshop colours. How do I change the Plant Finder? The person with manager access can change the Plant Finder colours and fonts in hub.joyofplants.com under Settings, Plant Finder, Customization. Can I copy and paste the images and text outside the Plant Finder? Your license with Joy of Plants allows use within the Plant Finder. For images and text for your webshop pages, see joyofplants.com for more information about our image and text library service. How do we link plants we sell that only matched at genus or species level in the Plant Finder? We add a search clue for species and genus plants so that their Buy Now button in the Plant Finder launches a search for all plants for that species genus in the webshop. Then the customer can choose which variety of plant they want to buy. And lastly, some troubleshooting for problems you may come across. The Plant Finder is not appearing on my page. I'm getting a message saying the Plant Finder is not enabled for this domain. check the Plant Finder URL in hub.joyofplants.com under Settings, Plant Finder, Web Setup to make sure it matches the location of your page. Or else your Plant Finder account has not yet been activated by Joy of Plants. In this case, contact support@joyofplants.com for more help. Popular plants appears in the Plant Finder Find by Name list, not plants that I sell. Contact support@joyofplants.com to update your Plant Finder to use your personalised plant list. You've reached the end of our video now. Thanks for watching. Watch the next tutorial in our series by clicking the video link here, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our videos.